In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start TikTok shop affiliate marketing without investing any money in paid ads. I will show you step by step my method, my strategies that helped me to earn $17,155 in commission with TikTok shop affiliate marketing just in 24 days. I will share with you guys all my methods, all my strategies, so make sure to watch this video until the end and don't try to skip one. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you will not be able to earn commission like this, okay? Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard and I'm sharing with you guys my results. This is my commissions, my clicks, my CTR. I can click here. This is my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, and so on, okay? So it's not screenshot. So for people who are interested to start making money with TikTok shop affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, okay? So go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? All you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service or product that you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission and you can check this website. So all you have to do next is you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do next is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country and choose your language, okay? And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that we will promote on TikTok to earn commission, okay? So what you will do next, I will go back to your, let me show you, go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, okay? Click here on, click on the search for TikTok, search for TikTok video editing, okay? We will promote this service on TikTok because people are using TikTok, they will be interested to buy this service from you and you will earn commission and I will show you how you can do it. Search for TikTok video editing, scroll down. So you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers, okay? Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose one of those sellers. I will do professional video editing. We have this one. We have, let's see someone who is good seller, okay? I think like this one here. This one is level 2 seller. This one can do Instagram Reels editing and TikTok editing and YouTube Shorts editing. So that's really good. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on this seller service like this. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And as you can see, guys, people keep coming back. People are paying for this service. It's working, okay? And this seller has 7 orders in queue and over 200 reviews. Over 200 people paid for this service. So that's really good, okay? So what you will do, pay attention. Copy the link of this seller profile, copy his profile link, Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click here, okay? So just click here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, okay? You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So all you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok, okay? Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page because we need a video that we need to use to promote this affiliate link. So we will go back to this seller profile page and we will scroll down, click on his video. This seller has video that's really good. So this seller is really good. He is explaining his service to his customers. So what you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video, okay? Save this video to your laptop because we will use this video to promote our affiliate links on TikTok. Before we do that, we need to edit this video. But let's save this video. I'm gonna name it TikTok editing. Click on save and that's it. After you finish, what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Canva. We will use Canva to edit this video and make it more professional, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on create design. Scroll down, click over here on TikTok video and you will be directly in this page, okay? What you will do next, you will click on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, click on upload files and upload your video that you download from Fiverr about this service, about TikTok editing, this one. Click on open. And your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video. Just click on your video and your video will be over here like this, okay? As you can see, make your video like this. I'm gonna make it like this. So what you will do next, click on the background here and click on color, okay? And choose black color like this, okay? What you will do next, click on text, okay? Click on text and click here, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use for this video. I'm gonna use this one. Just click on the text that you want to use and your text will be in the front of your video like this, as you can see. So let me show you. And they will delete the second one and they will keep using just the first one, this one, okay? Click here and decrease the font size of your text and put this text here and write this sentence, okay? Click on your text, double click and write this, okay? Check link in my bio, check link in my bio to get TikTok editing, okay, like this, and make this site like this, and here you go. We will put our affiliate link in our bio, okay? Click on this text and click over here on duplicate and you can put this one also here, okay? Check link in my bio to get TikTok editing. Let's see. So that's really good. This seller is explaining his service to his customers and how he will help those people to edit TikTok videos and make them more professional, more engaging, so they can get more views, okay? And that's the point, that's the goal. People want to get more views on TikTok. And those people who are using TikTok for maybe to promote businesses, to promote their project, or to promote or to grow their account, they will be interested to get TikTok editing service to grow their TikTok account and to get more views, more subscribers, more followers, more likes, more share, comments, and so on. After you finish your video, click on share, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account and click here on upload. Upload your video and put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. Start promoting services on TikTok related to TikTok. Okay, that's how we can make a lot of money with TikTok affiliate marketing program. Okay, it's really the business model, guys, is really clear. Okay, but it's not easy. You need to stay consistent, do more research, create good videos, and start promoting your videos on TikTok. Stay consistent. There is no limit on TikTok. You can upload a lot of videos every single day, and that's it. So if you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you want to see more videos about affiliate marketing. See you in my next videos.